Okay, so we are in the historic and most beautiful Stanley Park of Vancouver, and we are going towards the seawall. It's a little bit of a walk, and it's raining as well, but let's see how it goes. Look at these beautiful trees. In the meantime, my Google Maps is making some noise, so sorry about that. Look at how beautiful it is. The most beautiful and most famous park of Vancouver. This is our last day in Vancouver, and we really wanted to visit this park before we leave. What is that? Let me see. What is this monument? The issue is that I did not prepare very well, and still it turned out to be a great trip. So I have no idea what this is, but let me see. It looks like a monument. It says the Canadian-Japanese something. Okay, it looks like a monument for the World War I, 1914 to 1918. Okay. It's raining quite a bit, and we are not wearing a rain jacket, so I think we should just move towards the seawall, and then we would try to go see the totem poles as well. As you can see, and as you can hear, my son is enjoying. By the way, he's sitting on my shoulders right now. Reason being, he's tired already after walking for 5 days. Man, it's raining quite a bit. Look at this beautiful tree, but looks like it has been cut from the top, unfortunately. Sorry. Okay. Okay, the next stop will be seawall, and then I'll make another video.